Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Legacy Sirocco project, which is located at Jakkur on International Airport Road, Bangalore. So friends, this is the main connecting road in front of the project. Now we are moving towards the project. So friends, this is the main entrance gate. And this is the exterior view of the project, that is Legacy Sirocco. It's a ready to move in project. This project is built across 2 acres of land and offers 3 and 4 BHK luxury apartments. It carries 3 number of towers with 17 floors each. And it total comprises of 94 numbers of units. This project have 55% open space. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 4 BHK apartment. So friends, this is the living room with attached balcony. So this is the balcony area, the wide balcony. From here you can take the outside view. So friends, this is the hall area with balcony. The big hall with laminated wooden flooring. So this is the common washroom. So this is the spacious dining hall. And here comes the kitchen. So this is the kitchen area with separate utility area. As here you can see the utility area. So this is the internal view of the apartment from the hall. And now we are moving towards the balcony. So my friends, this is the balcony view. The wide balcony. From here you can take the outside view of the locality. And now we are moving towards the bedroom area, and here comes the first bedroom of this flat. And here is the attached washroom with ultra modern fittings. So now this is the second bedroom with attached balcony. Over there you can see the balcony. So friends, as you can see, the rooms are very spacious. And this is the attached washroom with this bedroom. Very well furnished. And now we are moving towards the another bedroom area. And this is the third bedroom with attached washroom. So friends, this is the washroom area. Now this is the fourth bedroom of this flat. The spacious bedrooms in this 4 BHK apartment. And this is the attached washroom. So friends, as you can see, the rooms are very spacious. The bathrooms are luxurious. Which can give you a fantastic lifestyle. So this we have given you the interior view of a 4 BHK flat. We have explored all the various rooms. And now we are moving outside. So now this is the view of towers from the lobby. Here you can see the various apartments. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.